Kim Kardashian should never be a lawyer. It's sad, but it's true, and the reason behind will shock you. We all know the tragic conservatorship of Britney Spears, right? For those who missed, during Britney Spears' conservatorship, which lasted from 2008 to 2021, she faced numerous restrictions on her personal and financial autonomy. Her mental health is ruined forever. The architect behind this conservatorship, profiting a jaw-dropping $18 million from it, is the one and only Lou Taylor, an American businesswoman and entrepreneur. In 2023, Kim posted a love letter she received from Lou Taylor saying, "Kim, how you work and how you love is evident to all who know you. You are respected and loved. Disgusting." No wonder Kim remains eerily silent on Britney's plight. It's mind-blowing how Kim's strong support of criminal justice reform and her desire to practice law contrast with her connections to shady individuals like Lou. But there is more. Let's go back to the beginning. Kim first revealed her legal aspirations in 2019 when she posted on her Instagram that she was prepping to take the California bar exam. The reality star said that upon revealing the news, she received several hateful comments from people claiming that it was her privilege and money that got her where she was. In December 2021, Kim revealed that she had officially passed California's first-year law students examination, or the baby bar, after taking the test 4 times. Kim actually did a good thing for meeting with President Donald Trump in 2018 and 2020, which led to reform and clemency for Alice Marie Johnson, a 63-year-old great-grandmother who was serving a life sentence for a first-time non-violent drug offense. But this doesn't outweigh all the bad things about her law career. What I am about to tell you will shock you. Kim wanted to place Kanye West under conservatorship. This comes directly from Kanye. Claiming fears about his mental health, Kanye stated in a series of tweets posted in the summer of 2020 that Kim and Chris were trying to have him violently committed. He even drew parallels to the movie Get Out, claiming they tried to 51-50 him. Combining this with Kim's meeting regarding prison reform with Meek Mill suggests manipulation and self-interest. Lou's attempt to control Kanye isn't her first rodeo. She's tried it with other celebrities before, like Lindsay Lohan and Courtney Love. Lindsay explains how Lou had plotted behind her back, taking advantage of her weaknesses, just as she had done with Britney. The similarities are alarming because they reveal a pattern of exploitation that goes beyond specific incidents. Kim's stated attempts to control Kanye, plus her close relationship with Lou Taylor, raise fundamental questions about her integrity when it comes to criminal justice reform. Moreover, her association with Black Box, the security company linked to illegally monitoring Britney, presents ethical questions. Not to mention that she has continued to support Balenciaga in spite of mounting proof of their shady business practices. In 2022, Balenciaga released a controversial campaign, after which the brand was boycotted by many. The campaign featured young girls with teddy bears wearing bondage clothing. The brand released a statement at the time apologizing. Kim also responded to this. "As for my future with Balenciaga, I am currently re-evaluating my relationship with the brand, basing it off their willingness to accept accountability for something that should never have happened to begin with, and the actions I am expecting to see them take to protect children." It won't surprise you that Kim is now the ambassador of Balenciaga. This was announced in January this year. In a statement, Kim said, "Balenciaga designs have been part of my looks and my most iconic fashion moments for several years now. This historic fashion house embraces modernity, craftsmanship, and takes an innovative approach to design under Demna. For me, this long-term relationship is based on mutual trust and a commitment to doing what's right. I'm excited about this next chapter for the brand and becoming their ambassador. This means that Kim will wear clothing from the brand even more often and will probably be dressed in Balenciaga at major events. She will also appear in the campaigns." Although this would be enough reason for Kim not to become a lawyer, there are even more shady things that Kim has done that you wouldn't expect. Before we continue, subscribe to our channel to be informed about new juicy Kardashian updates. In 2021, Kim was being sued by former employees who allege that she did not pay them the wages they are owed and did not allow them to take meal breaks. According to the court documents, the reality star was being sued by 7 former members of her staff who worked at her $60 million Hidden Hills home as gardeners and maintenance staff. The lawsuit also alleged that Kim never paid wages on time, did not hand out itemized pay stubs, and that she kept a portion of the wages for tax, which she then failed to hand over to the government, the Daily Mail reported. It is clear that Kim does not take laws, rules, and integrity seriously. What do you think? Should Kim be a lawyer? If you're not convinced, listen to what I'm about to tell you next. Kim has worked long and hard to maintain her superstar status, but long before she became a self-made billionaire, she worked for singer Brandy and faced some serious allegations related to credit card fraud. Kim got sued by the mother of her ex-boyfriend, Sonia Norwood. Ex-boyfriend? Yes. Remember Ray J, with whom Kim leaked a sex tape? He is the brother of Brandy, for whom she worked as a stylist, whereas Chloe worked as her personal assistant. However, things ended on a messy note when Brandy's mom accused Kim and Chloe of running up her credit card to $120,000. This is nothing compared to a $1.26 million fine Kim had to pay in 2022 for flouting advertising rules after promoting a cryptocurrency. She was paid $250,000 to post on her Instagram account in June 2021 about Emax tokens. The post contained a link to the Ethereum Max website, which provided instructions for potential investors to purchase Emax tokens. She was accused by the US Securities and Exchange Commission of promoting a crypto token on social media without disclosing that she was paid for the promotion. Kim did not admit or deny the regulator's allegations, but agreed to settle the charges. She violated the anti-touting provision of the federal securities laws. As part of the settlement, she has agreed to pay $1.26 million in penalties and not to promote any crypto assets for 3 years. We can conclude that it's clear that Kim's ambitions to become a lawyer and her stated commitment to justice are only fronts. She is more obsessed with the status that comes with being a lawyer than she is with the values it represents. As Liz Crocken once said, Kim's deeds speak louder than words. She is more of a patron of possible wrongdoers than a champion of justice.